Welcome back to our channel. Question 16 is about measuring the enthalpy change of the combustion of a fuel. How to measure it? By the change of temperature of the water. Okay. So the question is about how to improve the accuracy. Accurate. So less error. So where is the error of the measure the temperature rise of the water? Because energy loss to surrounding. Right? Maybe loss to the air. Maybe lost from here by the hot water, or maybe by evaporation, convection current. Right? So all this energy loss, if you can eliminate it or minimize it, then you can improve the accuracy of the experiment. So look at one by one. Placing a lid on the metal can containing water. Okay, place a lid here. Yeah, you can stop the convection current, stop the energy loss by evaporation. Good. But don't be so confident. Look at BCD maybe, or correction from the point of view. Okay, so look at here, covering the spring spirit burner with aluminum foil. Put something here. No use, right? The heat is here. It's not hot there. You don't need to cover it. Increasing the distance, make it far away, so the fire will burn the air, right? Instead of the water. Of course, this should decrease the distance, right? Using warm water instead of water at warm temperature. But if you use a warm water, the water will lose more heat to the surrounding, right? So it will be worse, right? So no, don't do so. So the answer is A. Remember in examination, make sure you look at all the 4 options, 1 correct and 3 incorrect, and then you will be confident about your answer. And I must say, well done to you. See you for the next question.